Executive Director of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, or the NCCA, and heads its Policy Research and Planning Office. She's also a board member of the Bataan High School for Arts and represents the Philippines in the International Federation of Arts Councils and Cultural Agencies. Her leadership has been widely recognized, earning honors such as Aliw Award for Outstanding Cultural Leadership, the 2024 Golden Leaf Presidential Award, and being named among the most influential and inspiring women of 2024.
She has completed international training on cultural management, heritage conservation, and social enterprise across South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Switzerland, Scotland, and the Czech Republic. A dedicated advocate for culture and development, she continues to champion arts. From the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, Deputy Executive Director, Ms. Marichu G. Daliano.
To Honorable Mayor Benjamin Magalong, and to all our esteemed and honorable guests, to all the exhibitors of Mangantaku, to all the stakeholders of the food and culinary heritage of the country, to all the people of Baguio City, isang malikhain at masarap na hapon po sa ating lahat. The National Commission for Culture and the Arts, the Department of Tourism, the Department of Agriculture, and the Philippine Culinary Heritage Movement are leading the celebration and implementation of the Filipino Food Month under Proclamation 469. This particular celebration is intended for preserving, promoting appreciation, and the development of the country's cultural culinary heritage. This year's celebration has a theme connected by taste, Filipino food, in the ASEAN flavors. This is actually trying to align ourselves with our chairmanship of the ASEAN. And we try to, in all the celebrations that we have, find connections with our ASEAN brothers and sisters in the different food ways that we have, and also food preparations. As we celebrate the richness of the Filipino culture, of the Filipino cuisine, we must also confront a difficult reality that our food prices remains high, especially our rice and our basic goods. We call ourselves and we call our country as agricultural, yet we continue to rely heavily on imports. And many of our farmers, our fisher folks, still struggle to earn enough to support their family and their source of livelihood. This is why the Filipino Food Month is inseparable to the conversation on food security and giving dignified livelihoods to all the players and to all the stakeholders of our food system. Every time we pay tribute to the dish that is being served in our table, we must also acknowledge the hands that prepared them, the group of people that had brought or that have harvested them, and those that go into selling to be able to catch the raw materials for the preparation of our food. Our culinary pride must go hand in hand with our responsibility to those who are making this pride possible. Filipino Food Month 2026 give us a platform to be able to showcase our richness to our ASEAN neighbors and to find these linkages of across our culture, especially on our biodiversity and our ingenuity as a people. This will also allow us, our Filipino cuisine, to find its place in the world and in the many platforms internationally. And I think the speakers before me had elaborated much on that. but also to continue to recognize the fisher folks, strengthen our food economies, and inspire the climate resilient practices that we have, especially so that we would have food security. We would like to recognize at this point in time and appreciate the organizing Mangantaku by the DOT CAR, by the local government of Baguio, and all the local governments of CAR, because indeed this is the objective of the Filipino Food Month, that we will have a platform at the regional level to be able to showcase our important identity presented in our food, in our culinary heritage, in our foodways. So, for us, this is the main intent, and this is what the Filipino Food Month is all about. So, thank you so much for doing this. Doing this activity is a part of our month-long celebration. Mabuhay po ang Kalutong Pilipino. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Mabuhay din po kayo, D.E.D. Italiano.